Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of fashion accessories with a review of the best squad bracelets currently on the market. These are the 8-piece Bohemian glass beaded bracelets for women by Miss Rabbit. If you're looking to add a splash of color and style to your wardrobe, you've come to the right place. These bracelets are more than just accessories, they're a statement. Each bracelet in this set features a dazzling array of faceted glass beads in 8 different vibrant colors. From rich blues to bright yellows, every bead sparkles with its own unique charm. What's more, the bracelets spell out squad in beads, adding a fun and youthful vibe to your look. Crafted from high-quality glass beads, these bracelets are designed to be both durable and eye-catching. The elastic band ensures a comfortable fit for various wrist sizes, making them perfect for stacking or wearing individually. Whether you're heading to the beach or out with friends, these bracelets are versatile enough to complement any outfit. Wondering how to style these bracelets? They're ideal for layering, so don't be afraid to mix and match with other jewelry pieces. Pair them with a casual summer dress for a boho chic look, or stack them with other bracelets for a more eclectic style. These bracelets are all about expressing your personality through color and design. In conclusion, the 8-piece Bohemian glass beaded bracelets for women by Miss Rabbit are a must-have for anyone looking to add a pop of color and a touch of fun to their jewelry collection. With their vibrant design and comfortable fit, these bracelets are sure to become your go-to accessory for any occasion. That wraps up our review for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.